Good day, Pinoy Clicksers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. He is an Asgardian and he is a god. He is Deity Thor. Let's go! Okay, so we are looking at from WizKids, Marvel, Heroclix, Deity Thor. Okay, not dirty, Deity Thor. This particular product contains one pre-painted collectible miniature game piece, a promo figure from WizKids, and on the left, we see the illustration. On the right, the same illustration, and I bet it's going to be the same illustration at the back. This particular product is, of course, released 2025, okay, made in China, and this is meant for 14 years and above, which we are qualified for. Okay, so this one is already to be shipped out to someone else, but before we ship it out, we're going to double check that everything is in order. Okay, so there seems to be a piece that's moving around. Okay, I don't know what that is. We'll find out together. Did it? I was supposed to keep this for myself, but somebody wanted it, so it's fine. I can just buy again. Ooh, I like. So this particular product contains a deity base and an 8-sided die. Ooh, now I like this product. If only for the database, I would get this product. Because it's hard to come by deity bases. Okay, so you can see the sculpt of Deity Thor. Okay, so he's a bit young, like his prime, and he's holding his hammer. Let's see if there's an inscription. No, there isn't, and a flowy cape. Okay, so usually limited edition products are much more better in terms of quality. As you can see here, the paint job, the sculpt is much better than your usual Heroclix, and look at those muscles. Okay. Let's see how that translates to his power, Thor. Okay, so his name is Thor, but he is Deity Thor. Okay. MVP25-001 is the set number. He is an Asgardian, God Squad, Deity, and Warrior. So great keywords. He has a trait, the power of Mjolnir. Blades, claws, fangs, but can use it during close or range attacks and may roll a D8 instead of a D6. That's really powerful because you can see here he starts with a running shot on his top dial. Okay, so D8, so potentially 8 damage for blades. Okay, he also has a special damage power, God Squad Unite, Leadership, but may roll a D8 when Thor uses it. Results over 6 are a 6. Okay, so meaning more chances, 5, 6, 7, 8, so 50% leadership roll. Excuse me. When Thor uses it and succeeds, he may instead remove an action token from a friendly character with the deity keyword, regardless of adjacency. That also includes himself, and that's map-wide. If he does, he may give an opposing character with the deity keyword an action token. So he removes and give it to an opponent with deity. Okay, so really, really strong. And that's it. Thor Odinson appeared in the Immortal Thor number 4, 2023. So this is Thor Odinson version 2023. He is 90 or 50 points. 90 points, you get 8 clicks of life. 50, you get 5 clicks of life. As usual, he has flight, range of 5. So 8 movement with penetrating psychic blast, and 19 impervious with a special damage power. So I would imagine the D8 roll for blades will be penetrating. Okay, so I don't know. I think blades is meant to be close, but you can use it for range attack. So I guess that will still make it a penetrating range attack blades. Okay, so if I'm incorrect, please mention it in the comments below. And then he moves into Precision Strike on the click number 2 and 3 at 50 points. he has that charge quick, and then towards the end of the dial, he becomes a flurry with combat reflexes and exploit weakness figure. So all in all, brutal figure. As Guardian would automatically grant him Mjolnir, of course, even the Destroyer armor for additional defense. Okay, so that might be the best option for him actually, to give him that longevity. I would probably use him at 90 points with the Destroyer armor just to maximize his Thorness. Okay, so he's indeed a god and good at that. Okay, so probably have to get another one because of the Deity base and the dice once again. Okay, so the Deity base is, he snaps into it. I'm not gonna open it because that will be reserved to the buyer. But what do you guys think? Have you played with this Dator? Or did you just get the Deity base and then just leave it as is? Share your thoughts in the comments. And until the next video, bye!